Hello, this is Dr. Garrett Castleberry, Associate Professor and Program Director for Communication, Media, and Ethics at Mid-America Christian University. I'm here with a video introduction to the readings for COM 4103, Special Topics in Media Studies. This is for our on-ground full semester course at MacU this fall, and so I'm going to take a moment to preview each of our core readings in this class. I mentioned the title, Special Topics in Media Studies. Each time we offer this course, it has a rotating number of options available, and so the emphasis in this course will be an introduction to film studies. All right, and so a film survey course tailored to some specific interest areas. As you'll see in the syllabus, we divide each of our units in the course into different genres that we will tackle. All right, and so we're going to spend some time learning about film genre, what it is, what it means, whether or not these categories have specific meaning, concrete meaning, or do they have abstract meaning and values. And so we're going to explore this together and process it over the course of the semester. To help us out, we have two foundational books on film and film genre. All right, and so allow me to introduce those. First of all, let me introduce a text that approaches genre storytelling in a broader sense. All right, so it's going to give us a little bit of a history and theory, but it's also going to draw in case studies that tie into some of our units in this course. All right, and so this first one, and the oldest of the three texts, consider it a foundational tool, and it is John G. Coelti's Adventure, Mystery, and Romance. All right, and so I think you're going to get into this pretty good. And Coelti investigates genres, history, and some of the earliest applications. And some of his case studies will be a little bit dated, but they actually, if you think about it in context, they have great historical and cultural historical value for us. So understanding where something comes from helps us comprehend how it works today, right? What kind of persuasiveness or power a text or an artifact, a film or a story has on us, all right? And so to fast forward to the recent past, the second text we will explore in this semester is Rick Altman's Film Genre, another modern classic, if you will. This is a book that scholars go back to time after time. Excellent teaching tool, written in a fairly straightforward manner with the exception of one or two chapters. And we're really going to dig it. The way this author breaks it up, he's tackling different subject matter in each chapter in a way that allows us to consume it as we're tackling different genres, all right, in each of our units throughout the course. And so it's a perfect kind of combination pairing that's going to get us fed and help us learn a lot about not only the, I guess, early industry shifts and moves, but also how culture gets formed, right? And why some ideas stay with us while others tend to evolve or seemingly disappear, what have you. Well, speaking of the kind of fixed genres of storytelling, each of our units will emphasize one. And so for at least one of our units, I picked a final text to acquire in the course. And I picked a book that can match up with one of our longer units in the course. All right, and so the title of this book coincides with the unit itself. And it is Film Noir, a critical introduction from Ian Brooks. And so that text is going to help us really process one of these early film genres that have a lasting legacy, that have had this kind of impact not only on movie making, but really on art, on culture, and like some of the earlier genres, we'll see how they perhaps play a role still today. Now, these are our three core books in the course, but I'm going to creatively organize some select sub-readings or excerpts, things that will just enrich our experience together in this course, COM 4103, Special Topics in Media Studies, an Introduction to Film Studies. All right, course. And we're going to have a blast working through this content together, and some of those readings that are going to be very spaced out. It's going to give you a lot of time to explore it as you can, and hopefully there'll be lots of great questions and conversations to come about these books, about the texts we will screen in the class, and it's a very exciting process, and many more surprises headed our way, the good kind, that is. So I look forward to having you all in class, and thanks for joining this film studies journey. Thank you.